Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and also salad bar in one. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely, fresh salad and a very healthy salad full of good recipes and good stuff like, you know, we're talking about beetroot and also cucumber and tomato and all these things, pepper. You're gonna love this one, so please enjoy the recipe and please stay tuned. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and this is from Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar channel today. So stay tuned and watch this lovely recipe at home. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this is all of my ingredients right here. This is some mixed leaf which I just washed off. We got red cabbage and some iceberg lettuce and carrot. Very good recipe. All right, so first thing what we're going to do right over here, I have tomato which I'm going to cut up. So I'm using 2 medium-sized tomato. I got some red onion. I'm just going to be using half of the red onion. So the red onion, what we're going to do is use my hand and just loose it up like this. And just fold it into the salad. Cucumber, I have, this is another piece, so we're going to 3/4 of cucumber I'm going to use. And this is another cucumber which I'm going to use. Some spring onion. Nice. So simple. Just fold the tea nuts into the salad. Alright. That is beautiful. And we're going to put some dried chili. pepper. And a few olive. Then I got some beetroot. Simple. Just run the beetroot through the salad, just like that. Alright. You see exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. Look at that beautiful salad. Now what we're gonna do is transfer it into something to show you. But look at that beautiful salad. Really fantastic, simple and nice. But look at this now. Now we're going to simple put the salad into this container. And once you put the salad into this, you can just pop this into the fridge. Really nice and lovely. Beetroot salad. Nice. So this is the salad right here, exactly what I'm talking about. So it come out lovely and nice. So guys, you can do the same thing at home. Make yourself a nice, lovely, healthy, fresh salad, which is very good for us. Hopefully you guys like to enjoy the recipe. Just on top of it. Also a little bit more chili. You can put oil, but this is just a healthy recipe from Chef Ricardo. And I want to just keep it healthy like this. No oil. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.